Welcome to our lesson today with Teacher Marita. Our topic of discussion today is further logarithms. And we have question: solve log 7 into x minus 2 plus the log of 7 into x plus 3 is equals to log 7 to 14. The first thing we do here is change the additional logarithm to multiplication, then drop the logarithm. So we can say here change. So change and the addition, change the addition, addition of logarithms to multiplication, then drop the logarithm and drop the logarithm, drop the logarithms. So where the main operation here is this addition. So we can change this one into multiplication, then we drop the logarithm. So we have log 7 into x minus 2 plus the log of 7 into x plus 3 is equals to b, log of 7 to 14. We change this addition into multiplication, then we drop the logarithm because the problem contains only the logarithm. So we have this one as x minus 2, then we change the addition into multiplication. We have x plus 3, and then this one is equals to b 14. We dropped the logarithm and changed the addition into multiplication. From here we can have x minus 2 into that. Then we have this is x plus 3, which is equals to b 14. We can have this is x into x plus 3. So we have this is x into x plus 3, then minus 2 into x plus 3 is equals to b 14. We can now open here. So this one x times x, we have this one as x squared plus this times x times 3, we have this is 3x minus 2 times x, we have this is 2x, then plus minus negative 2 times 3, we have minus 6, which is equals to b. This one gives us 14. We can now collect the, okay, we have this is as x squared, 3x minus 2x will remain with positive x, then minus 6, which is equals to b, is equals to 14. We can make this one to be our quadratic equation. So we have this one as x squared minus, in this case, x minus 6. Then we have this 14. We remove it from this side. We bring it on the left-hand side. The sign will change from a positive to a negative. So we minus this one 14, which is equals to be 0. So we have this as x squared plus x negative 6, negative 14 is giving us negative 20, which is we have this one as 0. So this becomes our quadratic equation. In quadratic equation, we can solve using we either use the complete square method, or you can use the sum and the product, or you can use the quadratic formula. In case here now we can use the quadratic formula, two numbers which can give us a product of negative 20, and that it can give us a sum of 1, because we can have this one as the product is equals to b20 and the sum is equals to b1. So we can find the two numbers. We have the number which is 2, which can go here 10 times. Then we have again 2, which can divide this one how many times? 5 times. So we have 2 times 2 is giving us 4 and 5. So the two numbers we have is 4 and 5. So the two numbers is 4x and 5. 5. One of the numbers should be a negative. So we can have this one as 5x. For us to have a sum of a sum of positive 1 and a product of 20, which is a positive, and then this one here must be a negative, such that 4x times 5 is giving us negative 20. And then when we have find the sum of these two is giving us negative x. So we can rewrite the number. We replace this x by the sum of the two. So we have this one as x squared minus 4x plus 5x. This one is equals to be 0. So we can factor out. We have this is x into x minus 4, then plus x minus 4, there is minus 20 there, sorry, there is minus 20 there. Then we have 5 into x minus 4, and then this one is giving us to 0. So we have x plus 5, this is x plus 5, then we have this is x minus 4, which is giving us 0. So from here we say either x plus 5 is equals to 0, or x minus 4 is equals to 0. From here, x plus 5 is equals to 0, our x is equals to p, negative 5. From here, x minus 4 is equals to 0, our x is equals to p, 4. Is equals to p, 4. So we can conclude by saying that x is equals to p negative 5, or x is equals to p 4, correct? Let us look at another question. Another question we have is solve log 2 into 5x plus 7 is equals to p 5. The problem does not need to simplify because there is only one logarithm in the problem. So it does not need simplification because we have only one logarithm in there. We have one logarithm in the problem. So how can we write this? So we can write this one as 5x plus 7. This one is equals to p 2. These two here, then we have raised to power 5. So from there we can have 5 x plus 7, which is equivalent to p. That one is equivalent to p 32. From here we can have 5x is equals to p. We have this one as 32 minus 7. So 5x is equals to p. 32 minus 7. 32 minus 7 is giving us 25. So we have this one as 25. So we divide this one by 5. We divide this one by 5. So the value of x here is equals to p 5. The question is very easy because the problem does not need to simplify because we have only one logarithm here. So we have only one logarithm in the problem, so there is no need of simplification. Let us look at another question. We have another question here, which is solve log 4 into 2x plus 1 is equals to p. Log 4x plus 2 minus the log of 4, 3. The problem contains only one logarithm. We have the logarithm log 4, we have log 4, log 4. So this problem contains only one logarithm. And the main operation we have a subtraction here as our main operation, and then this one we are supposed to change into division. So multiplication at the division sign will change into division. So rewriting this one and dropping the logarithm because it is only one, it contains only one logarithm, and changing the sign of division into the sign of subtraction into division, we can have this one as the logarithm of 4 into bracket 2x plus 1. This one is equals to p, the log of 4x plus 2, this one here, and then we are dividing this one by the log of 4 at 3. Now we can, at this point, we are supposed to drop the logarithm because the problem contains only one logarithm. We can have the dropping the logarithm, we have 2x plus 1, which is equals to p, x plus 2, and then we are dividing this one by 3. So from here we can close multiplication, where we can have this one as 1, then we have 3 into 2x plus 1, we have this is 3 into 2x plus 1, this is equals to 2, 1 times x plus 2, we have this is x plus, we have x plus 2. So we can correct open the bracket here, and then we collect the like terms together. We have 6x, 3 times 2x, 6x plus 3 times 1, we have this one as 3, which is equals to 2, x in this case plus 2. So collecting the like terms together, we have 6x, then we have this is x. When we bring it on the left hand side, the sign will change to a negative, which is equals to p, 2. Then we take this 3 to the right hand side, where the sign will change from a positive to a negative, so we can subtract 3 there. So we have this is x, 6x minus 5x, 6x minus x, we have this is 5x, which is equals to p, negative 1. So we divide it by 5, we divide this one by 5, and then the value of x is equals to p, negative 1 all over 5. Correct. Paste my playlist, Revolves High School. You will get most of this question there. Thank you.